Okay, July 18th, Canadian fire, smoke, Armageddon weather, garden update. Cucumbers are here. They had to be replanted 2 weeks ago, not long ago, 2 weeks I think. Late flat Dutch, cabbages got stuffed in, very small when they got put in. Then these are all rows of starts from the nursery. So there's some those are some Danish ball. These are some early. They're already starting to form heads. Here's some Brussels sprouts, and there's a few red cabbage there on the right hand side of that one. There's our cheater tomato, looking pretty good. We've had to trim it pretty aggressively to keep it green. That's a sun sugar. There's a row of carrots. We snuck in a late planting of Brussels sprouts. We're hoping to get them as late harvest. Never done that before. Green beans got put in. Some are seed, some are start, because not all the seeds came up. I'm not sure exactly why. Same thing with the eggplants. A few of these eggplants were starts from seed this winter. Some we bought because the starts weren't looking good. Peppers, lots of peppers here. All varieties. There's a few okra in there too, like 3. The peppers are looking okay. A good mixture of purchase starts and seed starts. The corn, it's okay. The middle rows aren't getting very much water, so they're a little short, but hopefully they'll be all right. Over to the tomatoes. There's a lot of tomatoes. I'm starting to get the string up to kind of truss them up. A lot of these are bush varieties. They're not all cherry varieties, and right now we're just letting them kind of go. Not doing too much heavy pruning. I did open up the middle of a few of these kind of as a test. So we can go down and take a look at the rest. There's not much to see. It's just a garden. We put this garden in a little late. I think it was the week of June 1st, so probably got put in around June 5th or 6th, a little later than normal. This is an asparagus bed right in here. There's actually 4 of them. This bed had the worst go of it. There's only 3 or 4 small asparagus in it. There's one there, one there. Oh, focus, one there. They're not doing so well. There's some more in that one. And these 2 are doing okay. You can see there's some pretty big asparagus in it. Did 5 rows of onions, or 5 beds. That bed has 3 across. That bed 2, 2, 1, and 2. They were like the little green mini onions that you get from a nursery. They weren't seeds or anything, or bulbs. They're doing the best of any onions I've ever had, but that is not saying much. So I have no idea if they're going to turn out or not. This is a row of stuff we bought from a nursery. So there's a watermelon, I think an acorn, spaghetti squash, which you can actually see one right there. There's about 4 of them on. There's I want to say there's a cantaloupe, not doing well, and a blue Hubbard there. The next row is all gray zucchini. It's just like a regular zucchini. You can see one right there. That's a whole row of them. A bunch of watermelon. Those are jack-o'-lanterns. And then in the back, I don't remember, some more winter squashes. I know that there's a giant pumpkin. I think those are white pumpkin, and then there's a giant pumpkin right there, but we don't know how to grow those, so sort of just feeling that out. And then a bunch of acorns in the back. Somewhere in there's a handful of cantaloupes as well. I think they're actually this row here that you basically can't see, because like that one, because they are not growing very well. but we're trying them just to see what happens. So that's it.